Okay, so what we've got here is a method of division which is actually based on subtraction. So obviously we need to know how to take away two numbers, which could be trickier for some of these questions, but let's go with it anyway. Right, the trick that we need to know is that 6 times 1 is 6, 6 times 10 is 60, 6 times 100 is 600, but we don't need that because our number is less than 600. Okay, but it's based upon, do we know how to multiply by 1? Yes. Do we know how to multiply by 10? Yes. Can we multiply by 100? Yes, and so on. So these are the things that we're looking at. And all we do is basically we say this. 10 times 60 is 60. Alright, so I'm going to take off 60 from this number here. 4 take away 0 is 0. 7 take away 6 is 1. 1 take away nothing is 1. So we've got 100 and... look at the great mistake there. 4 take away 0 is actually 4. So apologies for that. Right, so what we've got, we've just taken off 10 lots of 6. Can I do that again? Yes, I can. So let me take 60 off this one. 4 take away 0 is 4. 1 take away 6 we can't do. So we're going to have to use those 10 and put them over here. 11 take away 6 is 5. Alright. So what have I just done? I've just taken off another 10 lots of 6. Now, because I know my times table, hint hint, I can simply take off 9 lots. Sorry, just trying to get my colours right to give me a 0 there. So what I've done there is I've taken 9 sixes of 54. What does that tell me? That tells me that 174 divided by 6 is 10, plus 10 is 20, plus 9 is 29. There are 29 sixes in 174. That's nice and straightforward. Let's look at the next one. This time the number that we're dividing by is 18, so we need to know that 18 times 1 is 18. 18 times 10 is 180. 18 times 100 is 1800. Don't need it, so let's leave it there. Same process. 6, 6, 6. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to knock off 180. Alright. That is 6. 6 take away 8 can't do. Let's take one of those 10s over here. 16 take away 8 is 8. 5 take away 1 is 4. What have you just done? You've taken 10 lots of 180. Can you do that again? Yep. I can. 6 take away 0 is 0. 6 take away 0 is 6. 8 take away 8 is 0. 4 take away 1 is 3. What have I done? Taken another 10 off. You see how this is working? Can I take one more off? Yep. So keep going. 6 take away 0 is 6. Got it right this time. 0 take away 8 cannot do. So let's borrow one of those 10s and change it over there. 10 take away 8 is 2. 2 take away 1 is 1. Alright. Now, that means we've taken off 30 altogether. Now, another trick here, which maybe I should have mentioned before, if I know that 10 18s are 180, what's 5 18s? Well, if 10 are 180, then 5 is half of that, so it must be 90. So what I was thinking here is I was going to take off 18, then take off 18, then take off 18, and so on. It's probably easy to take off 90 here. If I take off 90, I end up with 6. Can't do 2 take away 9. So 12 take away 9 is 3. But what did I do? I took off 5 lots of 18. Can you see what's left over? If you can't, you'd have to take off 18 and then take off 18 again. But I can see that 2 18s are 36. Takes me down to 0. Alright. What did I do there? That was 2 18s. So all in all, 666 divided by 18 must be 10, 20, 30, 35, 37. Very clever. We'll talk about in class what happens if you don't end up with a 0 at the end right there and a 0 at the end right there. In other words, there will be some left over, some remainder. It's the same process, but we'll have a look at that in class. Okay? Done.